and welcome back to the Meguiars UK YouTube channel. Now today we're going to be talking about how you can enhance your darker colours, and we're going to be kind of highlighting one particular product. Now it's not a QVC shopping channel where one product does all. There is products and processes involved that lead up to this product that really does enhance that darker colour. Now this product, when released, was the pinnacle of premium aftermarket car care. So it's time to put on your good shoes and bust out the silverware, because it's time to celebrate the gold class wax. As we've gone through the pre-wash stage with our ultimate all-wheel cleaner and our ultimate snow foam, it's time to move on to the washing process. Now we're going to be using our luxurious lambswool wash mitt. This is super soft on paint. It also has the gauze on there for kind of tricky lower sections that may have bonded contaminants. But also we have our gold class shampoo. This is super rich, super sudsy. It contains the conditioners that feed into paint, give it a nice gloss, but also sheet off the car, reducing that drying time. So the car's in the bay and we can clearly see that there's some light swirls and scratches on the car. So we're going to first of all address the above surface contaminants. Now it doesn't feel too rough to the touch, but it's important to clay bar the car before doing any correctional work to make sure you remove anything that could dig into the paint and cause more damage. So we're going to clay the car first, and then we're going to use our ultimate compound to start refining that finish. Remove those light scratches and swirls and start enhancing that gloss before the wax. So compounding done, let's start building that gloss level. So we're going to start with our ultimate polish. This is going to feed into the paint, remove any hazing, but then also start enhancing that gloss before we hit it with the gold class. So the car's now ready for our gold class Carnauba Plus wax. Now this may be one of our older formulation waxes, but it's by no means old fashioned. It's a fine blend of natural Carnauba ingredients and synthetic polymers. This means the natural Carnauba will give your darker colour car that slick wet look that you want, but also the synthetic polymers are going to give it a nice long lasting protection. That's it for this video. Hope you've enjoyed watching how to really enhance your darker colours using a select few products and processes. Now remember to like, share and subscribe and tap that notification bell to be notified on when the next Meguiars video is released.